I am going to pull the fire alarm. Good, now I better get out of here before I get caught. Whoa. Why is the fire alarm going off? Students, line up in a straight line. Excuse me, Samir, but I think one of my students pulled the fire alarm on purpose, and his name is Kaeloo. You think pulling the fire alarm is funny? You have disturbed all the classes. That's it. You're suspended for 3 days. Now get out of my school. But, get out now. Why? Kaeloo. Get your butt in here right now. Kaeloo. How dare you pull the fire alarm at school? That's it. You are grounded forever. Why?